Haflong Government College, 1961. What do luminaries Sonaram Thausen, J.B. Hagjar, Surat Chandra Daulagupu, Harimay Das Burman, G.C. Langthasa, P.C. Langthasa, D. Hojai, P.K. Gorlosa, V. Mar, Nishikant Daulagupu, Yusuf Khan, and Binod Bihari Chakrabarti have in common? They were the ones who were unwavering in their support of N.L. Daulagupu's dream and vision of the establishment of a college in Haflong. The task of persuading the local population of the necessity for a college was a formidable one for the luminaries. The obstacles they faced were numerous and varied. These included financial constraints, the availability of suitable land, buildings, and other infrastructure, the recruitment of qualified teachers, willing students, and the support of the local community. The unwavering dedication of the individuals involved in this endeavor continued unabated, and the establishment of the Haflong Government College on 4th of September 1961 represented a watershed moment for the residents of Haflong and the erstwhile North Cachar Hills. In the same year, the college received a significant boost when the Guwahati University extended its recognition to the arts stream of the pre-university level. The classes started with 17 students in the hall of the Cultural Institute. Classes were held in the evenings. In 1964, the college moved to its permanent campus on land donated by the district council. In 1972, the college was transformed into a full-fledged day college, keeping the night shift as an additional shift. The inaugural educators at the college comprised S. Roy Chaudhary, R. S. Rajan, B. N. Chankakoti, A. K. Devnath, Nabeen Sharma, H. Bordaloy, Khalglari, K. K. Sinha, D. Purkastya, and B. Goswami. In 1964, the necessity for additional instructors became apparent, and consequently, M. Chaudhary, M. R. Dev, N. C. Gogoi, S. C. Bhattacharjee, S. C. De, T. K. De, and H. Chaudhary joined the college. This was followed by the appointments of R. Tiwari, N. Sinha, D. K. Datta, J. L. Chaudhary, and B. N. Borpujari, followed by further appointments in subsequent years. Initially, the humanities or arts stream comprised subjects in Assamese, Bengali, economics, history, political science, logic, and English. By 1975, university recognition for the graduate course was achieved. Gradually, the necessity for scientific education became increasingly apparent. In 1969, therefore, science was introduced at the pre-university level, comprising physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. In 1979, the Bachelor of Science degree program commenced and honors courses were introduced in a phased manner. In 1988, the commerce stream at the higher secondary level was inaugurated, and after a period of 3 years, BCom courses took off and honors courses followed. As the number of students enrolled in all 3 streams increased, there was a growing demand for postgraduate courses. In 1997, a postgraduate section was established within the Department of Political Science and History. With the approval of Government of Assam and Assam University, the postgraduate department has been attached to this college and is run by the PG Implementation Committee. The North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council supports it by sanctioning grants. The college was affiliated with Guwahati University from 1962 until 20th January 1994. Following the establishment of Assam University, its affiliation was transferred from Guwahati University to Assam University on 21st of June 1994. The college subsequently became eligible for financial assistance and qualified to receive UGC grants. Additionally, it was recognized by the Department of Higher Education, Government of Assam. The transfer of the college to the Government of Assam on 5th of November 1975 marked a pivotal moment in its history, resulting in a profound transformation. On 15th of February 2005, the college came under the administrative control of the Dima Hasao Autonomous Council. The college has been providing quality education to all and the underprivileged in particular. It has shaped students into agents of social change for the betterment of society. In all these, and with each passing year, the vision of the founding father and his illustrious colleagues have impacted the indigenous communities of the Hills district, and its effects can be felt in all walks of life in Dima Hasao, Assam, and elsewhere in India. Notably, ignorance had withered away, illiteracy has been sublimated into knowledge, and darkness has found its way into the vibrant colors of light. The college has been able to live up to its motto, Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya, which means to lead us from darkness to light. The Arts and Administrative Block is a multi-story edifice comprising smart classrooms, the construction of which commenced in 2015. The Science Block is an Assam-type structure erected in 1969. The Commerce Block is an RCC multi-story building. The Central Library is a multi-story building situated in the center of the Arts Block. It provides reading and photocopying facility. The library also contains sections for periodicals and journals with a total of approximately 25,000 books, including reference works. The UGC Network Resource Center is situated within the library building. The college also has a digital room used for holding seminars and workshops in the Arts Block. The College Museum is situated within the Arts Building and houses a variety of artifacts along with historical photographs of the college, its students and staff. The auditorium has a capacity of 500 and is fully furnished with the purpose of hosting events organized by the college. The college comprises 3 multi-story buildings divided into blocks which are used for teaching purposes. Each block contains 6 units with a total of 18 units in each block. 1 unit quarter is designated for the office staff, while another is reserved for the office grade 4 staff. The college provides accommodation for students in the form of 2 RCC boys hostels with an intake capacity of 100 and 2 RC girls hostels with an intake capacity of 80. A double-story guest house has been constructed in the Professors' Quarters campus. Over the past 6 decades, the college has consistently prioritized the accessibility and affordability of higher education while maintaining a strong focus on the quality of education provided. It is dedicated to its mission of providing the highest quality education to its students and encouraging the youth of Dima Hasao to take advantage of the opportunities available to them at the college. The college's mission is to foster excellence in all aspects of its operations. It aims to provide students with access to state-of-the-art facilities and resources, enabling them to develop the skills necessary to navigate the challenges of modern world. Additionally, the college strives to integrate the rural population into the mainstream of society, facilitating their socio-economic advancement. Finally, the college's mission is to prepare students for the life beyond the classroom, equipping them with knowledge and skills to not only seek employment but also to create it. The college received accreditation with a C grade in 2019. Over the past 5 years, approximately 2,400 students in graduate programs and 1,200 in higher secondary courses have been admitted to the college. Despite the intake of students with average scores and in virtually minimal competitive zone compared to its counterparts in the urban areas, the pass percentage has remained encouraging at 42%. The college regularly hosts national and international seminars and workshops addressing a diverse range of topics of interest and relevance. One additional incentive for students seeking admission to the college is the National Service Scheme, NSS, and the National Cadet Corps, NCC. The NSS provides students with the opportunity to serve the public in various ways, including blood donation, immunization, and national integration camps. The college was awarded the commendation for winning the Best Associate NCC Officer in the region for 2023-24, along with other commendations in category. Additionally, the college was recognized for its achievements in the SUO section, with Lungjeli Pame being named the Best Cadet in the Senior Under Officer category for the year 2023-24. 2 cadets of 3rd Assam Boys Battalion were employed by the Assam Police in 2021-22 and 2022-23, one as a forest guard and other as an Agniveer. In addition, 8 cadets passed the Agniveer written examination in 2024. In 2017 and 2023, the college football team was victorious in the Inter-College Tournament of Assam University. The various societies, forums, and committees of the college play a pivotal role in fostering a healthy, productive, and meaningful life at the campus. In a notable initiative to encourage and inspire students, the N.L. Daulagupu Best Student Award is presented annually by the family members of the founder father. The student who has achieved the highest marks in bachelor's degree program is presented with a cash award and a citation. 6 decades have elapsed since the establishment of the Haflong Government College. Over this period, the college has endeavored to provide affordable and quality education with the objective of enriching the intellectual pool of the people of Dima Hasao. It is evident that the college has singularly striven to promote communal harmony in the district, given that its students hail from different cultural backgrounds. Moreover, the success of the college cannot be measured in terms of marks and percentages alone. Rather, it can be seen as a beacon of hope and promise as it continues to empower and enlighten thousands.